Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix cooldown refresh feed. So you can see my feed is not refreshing. So sometimes maybe your NAT connection are weak. That's why your Instagram feed is not refreshing. You can see here. So just you have to go for your settings app, go for ads and notification. Okay, then go for Instagram and click on storage and cache. You have to clear your cache, and you can uh, also uninstall your Instagram app, and again you can install it and go for Play Store, and you can go for Instagram, update your Instagram if it's available here. So after that you can change your connection. If I go for data to Wi-Fi connection from here, then go for my Instagram, and if I refresh it, and you can see it changed. Refresh now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.